A small submarine built with bricks and a brain, with just those two pores, how can it be trained? Tilt it forward, it will spin the prop. Set it level, it slows to a stop. Give it a poke and the grabber will snap. Open, then close with a click and a tap. It's a hidden sensor that makes it all work. It measures each tilt and the tiniest poke. Down to the reef, when the plastic is caught, it lifts every piece that we carelessly dropped. A twist and a tug, and the coral is free, while fish dart around in a cleaner blue sea. Then up it ascends through the shimmering light, a tiny machine that made everything right.